Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is the most hilarious bad police escape attempt ever. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
What did I do?
Well, so what are you reaching for back here? Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, man.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. What just happening to me? I didn't have nothing to eat.
On June 11th, 2023, officers responded to an area following a report of a man walking around with his pants to his ankles.
Yeah.
Hey,
name,
yo.
partner?
Why? What did I do?
Well, we had people saying that you're staggering around. I've seen you.
No, I just was walking.
Well, what's your name? What's your name, partner?
Chris.
Chris, what's your last name?
Scott.
You got your ID on you, buddy?
What did I
yeah,
do?
with Chris Scott. Huh?
What did I do?
Well, so what are you reaching for back here?
My wallet.
Oh, okay. Yep. Well,
Y'all think his real name is Chris Scott? I don't know, man.
once again, they said that you're standing there and your pants were falling down to your ankles.
It probably was.
Okay. Well, let me see you check your ID for you there. You can leave it in your wallet if you want. That way I'll take it all back out. 13 break for an 11 DL.
I mean, it's hard.
It's hard what?
My pants, like, I'm always pulling them out.
Yeah, okay. All right. Copy. You gonna be good for me?
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, man, I didn't please.
Okay, relax.
Yo, that was so quick. It was like the cop knew it was like, oh boy, that cop got good reflexes, boy. That was crazy.
Yeah, I'm always pulling them out.
Yeah, okay. All right. Copy. You gonna be good for me?
Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, man, I didn't
Wow.
Okay, relax.
I can't breathe. I can't
You
breathe.
can breathe.
What did
13
I
tasers
do?
deployed, 1 in custody. Put your hands behind your back. You got a warrant, and you went to run.
Please. Okay, I'm doing it.
Okay,
I'm
relax
laying on
for
my
me.
arm.
Just relax
Please.
for me. Just relax.
Ow.
Just relax. Just relax. You shouldn't have run, buddy.
Ouch.
I know it hurts, but you shouldn't have run.
Sir.
You got it. Go ahead. Okay. Okay. Well, you shouldn't have run, fella.
What's your name?
Chris.
Chris?
Yeah.
Did you learn a valuable lesson today?
Yes.
Okay.
What's the lesson that we learned?
Don't run.
Don't run from the police, right?
Yeah.
Sucks, doesn't it? Don't worry.
Okay, buddy.
You just hit the reset button. You'll be okay.
All right, just relax for us, okay? Let me get some gloves here. And...
Sus that he hit the reset button. Oh man, not the factory reset. Oh man.
Can I sit up, please? Oh. Damn.
I was getting you off the ground. Have a seat.
Yep, you got a warrant out of Athens. What'd you run for, buddy? Huh? Okay, well listen, right now you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. If you can't afford an attorney, you want to be appointed to represent you. Do you understand your rights?
Yeah.
Okay. What, did you know you had a warrant?
No, I didn't.
Well, why'd you run?
I had the feeling that you guys because you pulled up on me. That's the way I always do.
Okay. All right. Well, you shouldn't run from the police. We're not here to hurt you or anything. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Do you have anything illegal in your pockets on you? Anything that's going to poke us or cut us?
No.
Okay, go ahead and stand up for me. 1, 2, 3. There you go. We'll get you taken care of. Nothing in here that's going to poke me, right?
No.
Yeah, buddy.
Man.
It's all right. Get you taken care of.
Can I please finish my cigarette?
Maybe here in a minute, okay? But right now we're going to go through some things, okay?
Yeah.
13, make that call and do the heck on.
Okay.
This reminds me of like a father disciplining his son. You know what I mean? Like that's the vibe that he give me. Like
Mr. Scott, is that right? Correct?
Yeah.
All right. What I'm going to do is remove these little probes from you.
Yeah.
Wait, what else happens? This video is 15 minutes long and we already got to the action. Something else gonna happen? Oh boy.
Up here. Watch my fingers up here.
Ready?
Watch, look how my fingers I got up.
2.
Ow.
Okay.
One of them.
Okay.
All right. Look at that bird over
Look
there.
here. Look up here. See? 1, 2, 3. There
Is
it is.
my face bleeding?
No, your face ain't bleeding.
Can I please finish my cigarette?
Where's your used car?
It's still on. Yep, it's still on. Yep.
All right, let me see it real quick.
Yep, there you go.
Put these back in there, and I'm gonna go tape it.
If I'm-
Thank you, sir.
I know I'm going to jail, so can I please finish my
Well, we'll
cigarette?
see. I just got to make sure you don't have anything in you or on you that's going to cause any more problems when you get down to the jail.
I don't.
Okay. Where are you living at now?
We're moving, so, like,
Who's we?
my girlfriend.
Who's your girlfriend? Dina. Okay. So listen to me. I got to tell you this. Once you go inside the jail, if you got anything on you I haven't found,
I don't.
listen to me. I got to tell you this. It will be considered illegal contraband,
I know.
whether it's drugs, tobacco,
I know.
anything. Once you go in there, that's a felony 3 conveyance.
Yeah, I don't
Okay.
have
He a
So if you
veteran,
got something
man.
that
He
I
know.
haven't found here, you need to let me know. Okay.
I don't.
All right.
Please let me finish my cigarette.
I might. So, okay. All right, well, what I want you to do is I'm going to have you come over here and just grab you a seat here, okay? I'm going to help you. You can sit right down. We'll get your shoe for you, okay? All right, sit right there.
Oh, yeah.
Put your foot in there. And then you stomp him down. I didn't. Well, I saw him up at, walking down at 664 at, just make sure anything, we'll just put it all in that bag.
It just seems like every time I get things going,
Yeah?
like I just got them back up again, and now I'm freaking going to jail again.
Well, apparently you have some unfinished business that you got to get taken care of in Athens County.
Yeah.
And now you're going to catch a charge for obstructing with us for running, okay?
Brando's, right?
Yeah.
What's this?
Smoke a cigarette.
What was in there?
I don't know. I didn't even know it was in there.
In your wallet?
That's what.
What's it look like? Does it look like what's your drug of choice, partner?
I don't. I do. I used. I was.
If I had to guess, it's going to be a little bit of methamphetamine.
Okay.
Can you answer that, please?
What do you want me to say?
My girlfriend. I need to tell her what's going
All
on.
right.
I guess I have a warrant and I'm going to jail. I didn't even know. Like, I don't even know what I did.
Okay. Is that good enough?
I can't. Can you hear me?
So, okay. Well,
Babe,
you'll get a call. She got a phone number. You'll get a call when you go down to
I'm
jail,
gonna
okay?
call you when I get to the jail, okay?
Okay. He's going to jail, okay? He had warrants. So
How many warrants?
so it was a failure to appear on resisting. Did you get into it with the officers down in Athens or Athens County?
Yeah, but I thought that was. I thought I already got that done with.
Was it a pursuit?
No, it was just.
It was failure to comply, so I mean, you must have ran from him or something.
Yeah. Well, I didn't try to run.
Let me watch him.
They tried to put handcuffs on me, and I went and I just resisted, I guess.
Well, it's the same thing we just did now.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, if you want to give him a drink, he can get a drink. You taking care of that for me? Okay, that's what I was going for.
What? How many charges is it now?
Trying to get resisting arrest and obstructing official business.
So we had a theft at Kroger
Okay.
yesterday,
Okay.
and he matches the exact description of the
Okay.
guy we've been looking for.
Okay. You want to question him about it?
Yeah.
You want me to walk you through it, or do you want to do it yourself?
Can I watch you do this? Because I haven't done it yet.
So what was stolen?
It was a cart, probably. Joey said it was probably between $150 to $200 worth of merchandise.
Okay.
And he said when Joey got in contact with him, he took a thing of hair gel and sprayed it all over the product, so now they can't use any of it.
Okay.
Why is this happening to me? I don't understand. Every time I turn around.
This guy, the main guy right here, reminds me of a sergeant that I had, man. Sergeant Burns, man. Yo, they kind of got the same stature, build, and everything, and it's like big dude. You know what I mean? Like, don't play no games, but very like jokey, playful. Like, you know what I'm saying? Kind of talk just like him, like with the little sarcasm and everything, where he's like, it's okay, buddy, you know, like stuff like that, like mad chill, willing to help everybody out and stuff like that, just like he's helping this officer right here. She has a case about a burglary or whatever, but you know, he's gonna end up taking it over and, you know, questioning him because she hasn't done it before. You know, I can tell this guy right here, he's a good dude. You know what I mean? He's a good dude, man. He one of them cops that just want to do his time and go home, you know?
Everybody already.
Partner, what's your name again?
Mr. Scott.
Mr. Scott. Let me ask you a question. What was you doing up Kroger's yesterday?
I don't remember being at Kroger's.
You sure about that? You don't remember taking about a cartload of stuff out of there and then spraying hair gel all over it so they couldn't resell it?
No.
You don't remember that?
Do that.
Where was you at yesterday?
I mean, I was at Kroger's, but I didn't spray the.
Okay. Well, why would the video camera show you taking that stuff?
This is gonna stink a lot.
I mean, right now is your time to be honest.
I mean, if it showed me doing it, then it showed me doing it.
Okay, then why though? That's what I'm curious. Are you homeless, dude?
I mean, we're sleeping on someone's couch.
And,
yeah.
I get it. So you're not able to work and your money's tight.
I was working.
Yeah.
But
So why did you not just? I mean,
I didn't have nothing to eat.
Okay, I get it, dude. Listen, I'm not. Okay, I get it. And you know what? And being honest will help you. Okay. What time was you there when you did it? Do you remember?
I
Okay.
don't know.
All right, but you did take the stuff and. Why did you? I'm just curious. Why did you put the hair gel all over it? Yeah.
I didn't.
Did they approach you about it and you had some words with them?
No, I didn't even talk to them.
Okay, what'd you do? You just took off and you pushed it out of the store. Then what happened?
I just left.
Okay, where did you leave the cart at?
In the parking lot.
Okay, all right. Was it just food and stuff?
Yeah. Oh, what is that?
That's just alcohol, buddy. Just take care of a little bit of road rash you got.
Cut must be huge.
It's not. It's a scratch.
It's a little raspberry, bud.
Raspberry, buddy. We're gonna take care of it.
Can I please have a drink?
Yeah. Which one you want? You want the Mountain Dew or the? Yeah. There you go, Officer Barclay. Okay. Well, listen. So you'll probably catch those charges.
Yeah.
We're secure. But you know, there's help you can get, dude, without having to go in and trying to steal stuff.
You can give it up a little
Yep,
bit. I know.
Right?
Yeah.
Just relax. You're putting a Band-Aid on it so it'll cover for you.
Here, brother, I just don't want to spill it down the front of you.
I'll have a sticker.
One more, please.
Gotcha.
What's that?
So I don't have any stickers.
Oh, yeah. I don't either.
Oh, sorry, man. I didn't spit it down the front of you.
All right, you got that stuff in the bag, in an evidence bag.
Property and then that little.
No, they're feeding them drinks. These officers are all right, man. I could tell they're all right, man.
That's the evidence. Okay. All right. Thank you for that. I was going from mine to. Okay. All right. How you doing with your other stuff?
Good. I just got to get some final touches put on the other stuff.
Okay. You got time to run him down?
Yeah.
Okay.
I apologize.
But you don't have to. It's okay. It's okay.
Charge,
Yeah, but listen. You know what? It's okay, buddy. You know, I was polite with you, wasn't I?
Yeah.
I asked you if you wasn't gonna get silly on me, right?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
I did.
You got silly, right? It's okay, all right?
Yeah.
Mr. Scott, you can get your life together, buddy. There's help out there. We'll try to help you get that, okay? All right?
Yeah.
Now, once again, she's going to pat you down again,
Yeah.
okay?
Yeah.
But we have to ask you this, not accusing. If there's anything in you or on you that we have missed, they will find it because they're going to take you out of your clothes down there.
Yeah, I know.
And they will find it.
There's a
and then
scanner and everything.
and
I
they'll
know.
charge you. So if you know that you got some other dope or some tobacco
No,
or
I didn't
anything.
even know that bag was in my wallet.
Okay. Well, when's the last time you used it, buddy?
I mean, recently, but I
Yeah.
didn't know that was in there.
When you
but
say recently, like, is that recently
recently,
today? Or?
I mean,
2 days ago, at least I know of.
Yeah.
I saw him. He was dancing around the ice chest.
I saw him dancing around up across from Arby's today. I was going to go out and talk to you then.
This is a senior freaking officer, bro. Senior officer. Now he got him talking about the dope in the back. I like this guy. This guy right here. This is a great officer, bro.
But at that point you hadn't really done anything. But when you're up here with your pants is dropping down around and making businesses concerned, we're going to go out and talk to you about it.
Yeah.
And that's why I asked you your ID.
yeah.
You check your pocket.
I did. Like I
It's
said,
just bulged up.
yeah, he's got. Like I said,
It's my long johns under my pants.
Yep. Well, like I said, buddy, if you got it in you or you there, we'll find it. But Officer Barclay is going to pat you down one more time.
Yeah.
So we'll take you over here and.
We remove that chain.
Yep. Let's get this off here. Yep. It's okay.
I would say it unclasped if you need to do it that way.
No.
Well, if you take it, yeah.
Yep. Just there you go. He knows. He's been there.
And can I have my glasses on my face, please?
Well, it's all going with you. It's all going with you. That's all your property. The only thing we're taking is that little bit of meth that was in your wallet. Okay. So your wallet and your. Will they take his drinks? Nope. Okay. They won't take your
Well,
drinks.
can I have one more drink of it then?
Yep.
Want the Gatorade again?
Yeah.
Yep. All right, buddy.
Thank you.
We'll bring
Come
you
on,
over to
y'all
our
doing
cruiser.
too
She's
much
gonna-
now.
She's going to pat you down one more time and get you down to Breeze Zone, get your stuff taken care of, and then you'll be arraigned on our stuff too, okay? Now, whatever at test, yeah, wherever you want it.
Yeah.
It's your ride. You tell us where you want it. So, yeah, so there's a chance that you could be charged with that that's in there too, okay?
Yeah. I don't. There
What's a
wasn't
good- what's a-
nothing in there, was there?
There's residue in there. There's enough to charge, yeah. I mean, it is what it is. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you was honest with me about the Kroger stuff.
Yeah.
So, you know what? I'll talk to my law director, and if she feels that your honesty was enough, maybe we won't have to charge you with that, okay? But I appreciate you being honest with me about Kroger's, right?
They are wanting you criminally trespass though, and now
Yes.
that I know who you are not
Yep.
allowed back.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. So we'll let our dispatch know so don't go back on their property, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. She listen to her instructions, okay?
Mr.
This guy cried the
I
whole
just feel
time.
like my life is just
How old are you, dude?
30. I'll be
Oh, you can
31
get
this
you.
month.
Dude, it's just just
At the
don't.
end of this month, I'll be
Well,
31.
If you want help with the addiction, buddy, we can try to get you help with that. I promise you. But you got to want it, right?
Yeah.
You got to
I
want
do
it. So
want it. It's
well,
just-
reach out to. Hey, we got people that specialize in that.
You know, I was clean up until 2 weeks ago, and then
It-
everything got hard.
It happens, Mr. Scott. It
We
happens.
lost our house, and my
Is your leg
girlfriend-
okay?
Yeah, it's just
That's where he spilled.
Go
Yeah.
ahead. Do that again.
What?
That.
it's my long johns down in.
Well, no,
oh
your
no,
leg
it's
is-
just the way my
Looks like a
my
recurve
leg
bone.
bends. Yeah.
Did you want me to switch out cuffs or just take these down?
You can take them down. Yeah, Eric, just in case I need them before we get back.
But yeah,
No, those are Eli's. Never
Don't
mind.
forget to bring mine back.
Yeah, those
I
are
won't do it
Eli's.
again.
Here, you can
I
have
was,
yours back.
I was clean for a
I'm going
year.
off.
I'm going. Yep, I'm going off too.
The man was charged with obstructing, petty theft, resisting arrest, and theft.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.